Hello everybody, this is BoutTF Anime and welcome to a new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to get the new Gmail redesign on your Gmail account right now. Gmail, this is the Gmail blog and it runs down some of the new features that the Gmail redesign encompasses, such as snoozing your emails, nudging feature, a smart reply, and a bunch of other things. So you guys can put this link in the description below so you can take a look. But at the very bottom it tells you how you can actually use the new Gmail. Just go to the settings, the cogwheel, and then try the new Gmail. So let me head over to my this test email account that I have, this throwaway email account that I have. And as you can see, this is the old layout, or the current layout, which has been around actually since 2011. I have a preview video on how to get this look. This redesign back in 2011. Per the instructions of the blog and everything else, you press try the new Gmail right here, and it will begin loading. Welcome, your favorite email has a fresh new look. Perfect. You can choose. This is more of how you like things spaced out. I think if you do default, you can still see attachments and certain things, but if you were to do comfortable or compact, it'll only show the paper clips as an attachment. So this you can see which type of attachment is actually attached. So I want default, and there we go. So you have calendar on the right, so that way you can adjust and see what goes on with your email, and you can schedule things accordingly. Google Keep, so you can get your notes here while you're also doing your email tasks. Takes a while to load each one, huh? Okay, so let's put that back. The font's changed, but overall, there's obviously a new look, but overall it hasn't changed too drastically compared to like inbox.google.com if you did that. Compose, you can still compose an email just as normal. You can make it bigger. Got it. These have all been slightly adjusted, I believe. Let's see. You can still do themes. Let me show you that. And you can go back to classic Gmail here too. Themes. See if you do a little chest theme. It looks alright. I still like the default, so I'm gonna. Actually, you can do colors. Oh, that looks kind of barky, but back to normal. So let me see if I can show you one of these. So I sent myself a test message here for the new Gmail update. Actually, it didn't show up. I was trying to get the smart reply to show up because in my actual account, smart replies did show up. They look something like, let's see, like that. So it'll let you quickly compose something and just click send. I tried to game the system and see if it'll show up for me. I guess not, but here you go. So that's how you can get the new Gmail redesign right now. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you test out the new Gmail. Ooh, you can change a lot of things too. Oh, this is the same thing. But I hope you like it, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.